In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur part of a picture in Microsoft Word. If you have a picture in a Word document and want to hide or obscure a specific part of it, you can use Word's picture formatting tools to create a blurred-looking effect. This can be useful when you want to cover a particular area while keeping the rest of the picture visible. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document containing the picture you want to edit. Click on the picture to select it. Once the picture is selected, the Picture Format tab will appear at the top of the Word window. Go to the Picture Format tab and look for the Artistic Effects option. Click it to open the available effects. From the list of artistic effects, choose the Blur effect. Word will apply the blur effect to the entire picture. Since we only want to blur part of the picture, we can use a copy of the picture to create the effect. First, copy the original picture and paste a second copy into the document. Now, apply the blur artistic effect to the second copy. This gives you one normal version of the picture and another blurred version. Next, position the blurred copy directly over the original picture. Make sure the two images are aligned as closely as possible so that they appear as one picture. After that, crop the blurred copy so that only the specific area you want to hide remains visible. The unblurred original picture underneath will remain visible everywhere else. Once the cropped blurred section is positioned correctly, you can adjust its size and placement to cover the exact part of the original picture that you want to blur. Take a moment to check the result and make sure the blurred area is aligned properly. If necessary, reposition or resize the blurred section until it covers the intended area. And that's how you can blur part of a picture in Microsoft Word using a duplicate image, the Artistic Effects tool, and cropping. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,